Let's get your Playard set up for everyday use. Open the carry bag, remove the mattress and frame, undo the Velcro straps holding the mattress around the frame, and set the mattress aside. Lift each rail at the center until it clicks. All four must lock before the floor goes down. Hold one end of the Playard and push the center hub down until it locks securely. Place the mattress soft side up, thread each corner strap through the bottom, wrap around the tube, and snap. Double check the rails are locked, the floor is firm, and the mattress is secure. Ready to add the bassinet? Here's how to get it in place. First, take the mattress out of the Playard, you'll use it in the bassinet. Snap all 8 clips onto the Playard rails until fully latched. Connect the support bar tubes to create the bassinet bottom. Now lay the mattress inside the bassinet, soft side up. Your Playard also comes with a portable bassinet. Start by rotating both legs open until they lock into place. Align the slot in the leg with the groove in the foot, then slide each foot on until it clicks. Flip the bassinet upright and make sure all 4 snaps are secure before using. And finally, press buttons on the sides to rotate the canopy up. To raise the bassinet, first slide it up from the foot end, then do the same at the head. To lower it, press the buttons inside the legs and slide it down. You can use the portable bassinet right in the Playard bassinet. Place the long side against the short side, and make sure to only use it in the lowest position. You can also use the portable bassinet directly on the floor, but make sure to never use it on counters, sofas, or beds. Your Playard also has a convenient changing area for baby. Here's how to assemble it. First, find the 2 rails with the kickstands. Snap them together at their long ends to form one long piece. Now take the 2 other rails with the plastic corners and do the same. Snap them together at their long ends to form another long piece. With the changer facing down, slide the connected kickstand rails into the fabric so the big holes align with the kickstand ends. Then slide the plastic corner rails into the fabric so the small holes align with the plastic ends. With the changers still facing down, snap the kickstand rail set and the corner rail set together at the corners until everything clicks into place. Snap the 2 short connector tubes into the plastic corners with the square hole facing down. And finally, insert the connector tubes into the Playard's corner openings until they click. Give everything a gentle pull to make sure it's secure. Snap the 2 clips into the organizer, then hook it onto the Playard frame. Push down to lock into place. Now let's pack it all up. Lift the parent organizer up and off the Playard frame. Then press the connector tube buttons and lift the changer off. Take the portable bassinet out of the Playard and press the inside leg buttons to lower it to the lowest height. Fold the canopy down. Pull down on the slides at each leg, then rotate the legs underneath. Take the mattress out, undo the support bars, then unclip all 8 fasteners. Grab the red tab and pull up until the floor rises halfway. Lift each rail slightly, press the button, and fold it down. Do this on all 4 sides. Wrap the mattress around the folded frame, fasten the straps, then zip everything into the carry bag.